Good morning, friends, fellow traders, students, all my subscribers. My name is Samuel Okoye. I'm communicating from the land of the rising sun. Today is Sunday, the 17th day of October 2021, time 11:04 a.m. I want to bring you weekly analysis on currency pairs, some stocks and indices and cryptos. I may combine all the videos in this one video because I might be able to do many videos today. So this is DSY US dollar index. In my opinion, this correction is over, at least for now. For now, I believe the correction is over. So, but if something happens that shows that we are still correcting, then I'll let you know. For now, this is A, B, C. So the C to me has ended. So first of all, we need to break this low to say bye-bye for this correction. So before then, we expect a 3 weeks move down towards this level. Okay, that's for daily. 4 hours, we have another level that we target. On 4 hours, we target 93.2, while on daily we target 92. I mean, when this drop happens, we may get some pullback before the drop continues. So right now, I'm not talking about buying on DXY. So this is where I suppose we will hit. After hitting here, we may consolidate or pull back. Then selling continues. Okay, now, so let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, the same structure. Though on daily, Euro USD behaved in a manner that seems to me to be somehow different from DXY, but in everything it is still A, B, C, or W, X, Y. And I think having touched this having touched the lower line, I think we are now buying. So let's check. Let's see 4 hours. So in 4 hours, here was the last target. It came to it, rejected it, go up a bit, came back. It's now, it's a broken this channel. So I think we are getting the buy. First of all, we target the 5 waves. Let me go to 1 hour. So in 1 hour, you can see what we have here. This is a wave 1, 2, 3, then A, B, C, D, E. So now 2 things are involved. One, this wave 4 is making triangle. 2, the triangle can fail. So if triangle fails, it becomes A, B, C. Let me show you. If triangle fails, it becomes A, B, it becomes A, B, C. So in any case, I don't have any problem buying this pair. Even if the triangle fails, here is this place is where we try. If triangle will continue, then the pair won't break this line. But even if it breaks, it will surely turn around here. So which means if the buying doesn't start here, it will start here. And of course, here remains the stop loss, either here or here, will be the stop loss for now. But when the market breaks this level, then we move stop loss to either here or here. So for now, wave 5, we are looking at wave 5. When wave 5 completes, then we look for three waves to move back, which may be shallow, which might be deep. I don't know. But if you watch this very structure, you see that wave 3 is not extended. So either wave 3 and 5 will be equal in movement, or wave 5 might extend. So nobody knows. But the fact is that I am no longer trying to sell USD. I'm only buying now, because I don't see any more reason to sell Euro USD. Okay. This the break of here confirms the selling is finished. So for now, let's focus. Euro JPY is going up. Let's check daily charts. The daily charts. So to me, this is ABC, sorry, or WSY. It's a zigzag. Now, possibility of getting double zigzag is still here. The possibility of getting double zigzag is still here. But for now, we trade what we see, not what we think. So this can be A, B, C. Then we can get another sell to make a double zigzag. But for now, the correction seems to is over by now, for now. But what we see is what we trade. So let's take 4 hours. You can see this move is moving in an impulsive manner. Okay. This one is the bigger, for the bigger wave. Okay. This for the smaller wave. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is another wave 1. Then ABC, wave 2. And this is a typical move of wave 3. Now the wave 3 might have ended, or it may try to make this 200. It may try to make 200. So now wave 3 can make 200 before wave 4. So when market opens, we may get a move towards this level before we get this type of move. So, but I assume that we are getting it now. So why am I saying this? So that if you begin to move, you would say that that is you. I remember I don't encourage selling or buying with air. Because why? You may think that wave air is developing and it won't develop. So the best thing is to wait. After the wave A, wave B will correct, then we buy wave C. So that even if the wave 3 is still progressing, then whenever wave A did this, we wait for wave B to do this, then we sell wave C and buy wave 5 again. So watch this level. That's my message. I have said, not to show you 1 hour. No need for that. Euro GBP. Euro GBP is anyway. It is still within the. It is still within the zone. You know, here was the target that the selling will stop. Though it went deeper and now going up again. But I see something that might happen. This reversal might not have started because this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And wave 5 can make 5 waves. Let me show you 1 hour. With 5, we can make 5 waves. Not always. I show you everything so that if it happens, you won't be surprised. With 5, we can make 5 waves. That is 1. A, B, C. Running flat. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which means we are looking for more selling. Unless we have a sharp rally above this level, then we will assume that we're 5 ended here. But for now, there are rooms for further decline or to make we're 5. Okay. You know AUD. You know AUD. Remember, I made this forecast right from this level. This has been for weeks, and it dropped almost exactly as I forecasted. But now the question now is it still going down, or is it now going up? To make it simple, watch out for more move down, more gradual move down. Then when we get a sharp move up above this level, we now begin to buy. But for now, keep watching either a further drop or a move above here, then we buy. Okay, so I think I will remove some signs here since they have completed. Okay, so that is it. That's all for AUD. Any need for 1 hour charts? Any need? I don't think there's need for 1 hour charts. Of course, there's something I want to. What is that? That means that maybe a sort of triangle might be forming. You must get something like triangle. So let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. So maybe, but for now, just if we see, let me teach you something. If we get another move down, then this line will come to this level. When it broke this, we begin to buy. But for now, it's supposed to be here. So let's watch and see whether we have another drop or not. New Zealand. Most of the Europeans are doing the same thing. They are almost at the reversal levels. Only USD seems to have reversed, but others are at the reversal levels. You can see this one. It is at our reversal target. But what I don't know is whether it's have reversed or not. Maybe one of them might give us some data to check. Okay, so going down for this level, one hour doesn't give me anything meaningful to look onto, but 4 hours give us a level that seems to making a reversal. Okay, so let us keep watching the. Let's keep watching what happens. So maybe. Let's keep watching. So. a break above this level. Maybe the signal that sellers are tired or have given up. So let's watch this level. For now, EUR/CHF is in a reversal zone for a long time. But there's something interesting. What is that? That's interesting that this move is sharp. Though it couldn't go above, it couldn't confirm you can see bullish confirmation. So it haven't confirmed, but in a reversal zone, it is going up. So that's one thing. Even if the reversal, the buying have started, it will soon start. So if this low, if this move doesn't take this low, that is, this move might do this thing and do this. And if it did this and doesn't break this low, maybe here becomes the low, and the next move will go up like this. So just get ready for buying almost in all Euro pays. Get ready for buying. That's the only thing I can see in them. You look at also in the reversal zone. So I don't think it is. I don't. Maybe I also try showing you all this. Okay, when you see this thing, it means level for confirmation. So let me see it in 1 hour. So 1 hour you see is still moving within the 1 hour, but this channel has been broken. We need to make triangle as an ending. Sorry, diagonal as ending. Who knows? Let me put a line in there. So we may get a diagonal. I don't know whether we get it or not. All I know that I'm looking for buy, and when I see a buy, I will recognize it. A buy may start before here, but for the avoidance of doubt, let this level break before the buy begins. Okay, so for now, let's move. Let me show you daily. I saw something that made me show you daily. On your card, you may still get a move down. You may still get a move down. See, this can be 1, 2, 3. So the 3 might come to this level. Choose 1. Give us 4, then give us 5. But for now, this move may not continue going down to this level. So we will likely get A, B, C. So once we get an A, you will know. Then you wait for B to finish until the C, and then we now be able to trade this towards this level. But you know this is a daily candle. It takes time to develop. So let's look for other page. USD cards. USD cards. I made a zigzag again. This is ABC. Now, are we still going? Are we going lower? You know, all this is the reversal zone. Are we going lower? So So let's check 4 hours. 4 hours is making a channel, which can say to be, they call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. You might get a move to this level. This thing may happen. You may get, let me remove this. You may get a move to this level and a drop again. But for now, let's focus for a reason to buy. You know, this buy level is for 1 hour chart. Maybe I need to make another one for 4 hours chart. Here is a better confirmation. Because why? This can happen. You must get this before getting this. You just keep these things in mind. As a matter of fact, this is not the time to sell this pair because it seems to have, it seems the sellers are getting tired of selling. Okay. I don't want you to lose money whenever you watch my analysis because I will show you the possibilities of what we expect to have. Yen is the wonder of the moment. You know, yen is wonder of, although I show you this, right? I'm sure I show you this analysis. I said we're going to 113 and above. I said it. So if you doubt, go to my old videos. And this has been here for long. So if you entered from here, you made the money. If you entered after pullback, you still made the money. Okay. If you entered after it breaks the current high, you still made the money. I will say buying. Yes, the buying is not yet over. When are we buying again? Let me check 4 hours. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is up there. Then in the 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have, it seems with 3, or let's say, oh, so it seems with the buying is over. See, this is a bigger wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 5th wave have also another 5 of waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't know, see any reason why it should continue going up unless it wants to extend. Extension cannot be predicted or overlooked. If it happens, we see it. So that's why I say again, don't try to buy with air because we may presume that it has finished going up, that with air have started. You see it's going up again. Okay, so allow it to finish, give us with A, then we trade with B and C, or we trade with C. Okay, entering a 101, don't think. Nothing but see more data of price action. You see what we saw as just a pullback. You can see the 3 waves expanding flat. Yes, it's expanding. A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe you may get this. You may get a move like this. You know, to give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can happen. So it doesn't make any change. But the other thing that in 1 hour, we see it moving, but in 4 hours, it won't be significant. So it don't take it don't change anything. So keep focused. So sell the UFC on time. USD CHF is correcting. You know, sometimes USD and USD go together. Sometimes they have some little difference. This time around, they have some little differences. So this is doing ABC. This is A, correction B, and C is dropping. So we're gonna have with C. Can I measure can I measure our targets? Let me see 1 hour first. Let me check 2 hours. Okay, let me measure the first target. So this is where we target. It will stop or make a pullback or reverse. Now, not reverse, correct, because I don't see, in my opinion, the buying have completed the cycle. Now, the selling is what we are looking, what is happening already. Okay. So, ABC will surely happen. So, next is USD Guinea one. USD is for a long time I haven't traded it. So I like to analyze it for those who trade it. Okay, ABC. We are at the reversal zone. Now the question is, will it reverse at the blue box or at an extended box? Or will it just touch this line and go up? Monday, Tuesday will give us the answer. So no need to waste out it. New Zealand USD is making a pattern. Let me check daily. Okay, now daily, see what we is almost at the test of this upper channel. Almost at the test. This is ABC or WXY, which to me is a complete correction. So if this begin to buy from here and continue buying, or maybe, or unlikely, when here is broken, we may get A, B, C. Then the buying continues. It's not abnormal. That's how market behaves. So then in 4 hours, you can see it's making a pattern, a corrective pattern. It's making a pattern. So you look up to see this, at least go to this level before making any reversal or thereabout. Okay, so let's keep watching. And there's something I didn't show you on USD. The pattern reminded me of that. Let me show you before I continue, or let me finish this. 1 hour, nothing on 1 hour, nothing important on 1 hour. Let me show you something on USD. I forgot to show you. USD. USD, we have a pattern that is developing. Okay, so this pattern, the X, A, B, C. The C have ended. I like to have ended. So, and if it continues, by and by, we are going to 1.2, 1.21, 1.22 area before we get another meaningful correction, ABC, and the buying continues. So I just saw the pattern, and decided to come back to show you. Now, AUD card, no, I don't, AUD cards. AUD card is going sideways. So any sharp move above here will trigger the buying. AUD New Zealand. AUD New Zealand. What are we getting here? So what do we have here? This move is too sharp, but nevertheless, sometimes if we do that, but I see this as a beginning of, I see this as an impulse move. Anyway, let me check 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm correct. Let me label it. 1, A, B, C. 2, 3, A, B, C. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This is a perfect. This is a perfect. A perfect wave count, if I may say. If there's something, okay, if there's anything like that. So this is a 5 waves move. So expect maybe we will likely get ABC. We likely get this might be our A. This might be our A. Then our B might give us something like this. Then our C will give us something like this. So this, let me put a wave on that. This is what we will likely get. Okay, remember it's a forecast. It's a forecast. Okay, so just something, that's an idea of what we think will happen. AUD chef. AUD USD. Can we get a triangle? Can we get a triangle? I don't know. It's too early to say. It's early to say whether it will be a triangle or not. But let me put the line and keep watching. Let me also extend this line. Okay. So for now, I'm looking at. I don't know this very pen. this move is enough to be a correction of the whole entire move. So this might be wave 1, then this might be wave 2, then wave 2 might be a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. The 2 might be a triangle, that is A, B, C, D, E. Then 3 will continue. So for now, it's too early to say that it will be a triangle. But all I'm saying is that I'm not no more looking for sell. Okay, I'm looking for buy. That's what I want to let you know. Okay, it reversed at our target place. Okay, so maybe the triangle is gradually forming. I don't know. Okay, so maybe it will be a triangle, but for now, as I said, I'm ready to go that forward until we get more data. But right now, I don't want to buy. So I can only buy if I see a pullback like this, then I can buy. I rather sell. I rather place sell stop here. Stop loss here because this is a pin bar. So that's the thing. Gold. Gold made a surprise move. Gold made a surprise move, but I still maintain my position. I still maintain this is beginning of my position is that the reversal ended here, and here remains my stop loss. So gold, what we will likely see in gold is this. And A, B, C. Then the buying continues. That's what you will likely get on gold. So as I said, this very strong move is somehow a surprise to me because I am of the opinion we have something like this, either something like this happening here or something like this happening here, but it made a very sharp move. So it's part of the market. That is why it's good to always make sure of what you are doing. Don't just presume and enter a trade. Then let's look at silver. Silver ignored gold when it was doing what it was doing. Silver couldn't join it. Silver made a little pullback and it's going up again. So to me, from what I'm seeing, let me even go to 1 hour. From what I'm seeing in silver and gold, this is A. Then B might be you might get something like this as A, B, C, then B and C. So I'm looking at, we will get I think we will get something like this on silver. Okay. So something like this is what I'm expecting on silver, which is not very far from gold. The only difference that gold dropped a lot, but silver not drop like gold. But to me, the correction ended here. Whatever is happening here is impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, running flat. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C again. So it's impulse move that have resumed. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Okay. It's came to our target. So let's check 4 hours. Oh. Pounds JPY. So this is it. We expect a reverse. I mean, we expect wave 4 to start from here. We expect wave 4 to. Let me do this every day. So 5 waves. Let's say wave 4 will start here. That's what I presume. So if I see wave A, I'll prepare to say wave C before buying wave 4. I mean wave 5. That's what I can see on pounds JPY. The bush move we expected happened the way we expected it. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. I'm still expecting WXY. This wave Y is an incomplete sequence. And whenever we have an incomplete sequence, it is always risky to trade the current move. Though we can trade it on 1 hour and 4 hours. But as long as this channel remains, you may still get a move down to this level to complete the bearish sequence. So let's go to 4 hours. And 4 hours also, we see our target. And so we likely get a reversal within this zone. So no need of making much explanation on this. So okay, we move. Bounce card, bounce chef. Bounce chef, what do we have? Bounce chef. There is target for this pattern. If it will continue, here is target. A, B, C. To me, of course, this is a zigzag, but we expected the wave C to. Oh, wait a minute. Let me check something. Okay, we've seen expected to drop to this level, but you can see, anyway, not I can see anything. I expect this to happen. Let me show you what I see. So I'm expecting it to happen. Another selling to start any time to drop to this level before the buying starts in earnest. But Now let's see with 4 hours again. So we look whether with B have ended here. Either with B have ended here, or it will still go up a bit. Okay, let me just let's take this into consideration. So I need to get to the equal length zone. And to me, you know that sometimes we don't get the equal leg. So if I see a move towards this lower level again, I wouldn't be surprised. But for now, I want to see it to this here or here before try about selling again. Where the market is now, not good to buy, not good to sell. Good to watch to whether it will come to this level or continue coming down. By then we can decide maybe on Wednesday or Tuesday. Pounds card. Pounds card. Pounds card. The selling seems not over. The selling seems not over yet. Okay. The market is at the level of indecision. But let me see 4 hours first. Okay, this is a clear evidence that Wave 3 have ended. So we look towards an ABC to give us Wave 4, maybe somewhere here. Then 4 will give us Wave 5, somewhere there. So this is one of these things I was thinking that the selling is not yet over. Now I can see the reason that the selling is not yet over. So here remains our resistance for the buying. So we like to get A, B, C, then the final drop before we begin to buy. So this is all I can show you about pounds card. Pounds New Zealand. Pounds New Zealand. I showed you this last time that we are going to get a move towards this level, and that is what I'm trying to do. I sold from here, closed it here. So this is what I will do again. Once I get this is with already, this is with B. Once I get with C, or once I see that with C have started, I will either buy it or wait to complete. Then I will sell it again. So I'm still looking for another sell on this. So it is selling and selling very well. But the issue is that the drop is not that sharp, but it's selling as I forecasted. Let me go back to 4 hours. Oh, well, this is 4 hours. Okay. So this is 4 hours, maybe, please. Okay, the daily, once here is broken, then we see a speed to this level, either here or here. But the blue box is bound to it's bound to enter the blue box. Hold on, hold on. Pass AUD. Well, pass AUD is almost at a buying zone. Almost at a buying zone. You can see ABC. Now the wave C, is it over? Let's check wave 4 to see get more data. The wave C, is it over? Can we say it is over? So let's now, is it over? Can we say it is over? Okay, for now, there are two possibilities. One is this. One possibility is this. Equal leg from here. Which has completed. Anyway, in fact, I'm not looking for anything. It has completed an equal leg. A, B, C have completed. A, B, C. It has completed. So if the buying break this level, it will confirm the buy. Even if it break it and begin to do something like this, as long as the move down is not sharp, there's nothing to worry. But if it is sharp, then if you are failed to break and the move is not sharp, we likely, that is, if the move begin to do this, you will get this. But if it is sharp, you will get this. Then it will make from here A, B, C, somewhere down there. But for now, I'm looking for buy opportunity. You know, the daily candle was giving us some buying candles. This candle is sharp, so it's a buying candle. Okay. Let us okay, New Zealand card. I will stop here. I will try to make all the videos in one place. So I have shown you the important space. So let me go to US 100. Let me drink some water, please. US 100. Okay, it's going as we forecasted last 2 weeks and last week. you can see our main reversal zone, invalidation, it went up, dropped again. You can see it buy zone, it bought again. You can see conservative levels for buyers. Because I said here is buy zone, but if you are a conservative that you buy from here, you see those who buy here making profit, those who bought here making profit. Then where is our target? This blue box, extended box. So nothing much to talk on this. You start the same thing. There's no difference. No difference. It dropped to the level and buy. Then it gave us when it was dropping. I said you will get a deeper, that is ABC, but it didn't happen. And I remember I said that if we don't get a continue moving down, once here is broken, that's why I put this line. The buying will start. So the buying have started. Where is our target? Let me measure the target now. Let me give you the target. The target is either here. The target is either here or okay. So let's use this level for now. Okay, so let's use here as our target on US starting. Nifty is going up. Nikkei, this is what I said we likely get. I said we likely get a zigzag from here. When here is broken, now the zigzag seems to. Let us know whether it will happen. Maybe something like this. Okay, so no selling. Look for pullback or correction. Then can join the buyers. Dow, remember, so now, remember, I told you that if this move doesn't go below this, that this will happen. Now it is happening. The only thing there is that we may get, because market doesn't move in a straight line, we may get maybe some pullback, but we are going to this top for now. Okay, so that's all I can tell you on Dow. Okay, so this doesn't work out. I have to remove it because what we have just A, B, C, and we are now going up. Okay. All right. Look at 100. Look at 100. Not like a Dow. Doesn't give us. I said okay. I know what I said. I said that since here is completed, we are buying. If that we may get this. But if the strength continues and break these levels, we are going up. So the two options, one must happen. Whether gives two options or even three, so that you will not be surprised when any of them begins to happen. Had it been that this very one dropped, it will still go up. Okay. For now, we are looking for something like this before buying continues. So that's for that's good. Happy. Okay. No. No, happy. You know how to get that. Okay. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Let's continue. So let me go to Delhi to give you our target for on this. So this didn't happen again. Let's presume this is a running flat. So where is our target? It's simple. Our target is this. So selling is imminent. Selling is imminent. So it's good to see all the options we have. So sellers are around the corner. Once the price enters this level, we begin to check whether it will sell from here or from here. Okay. But if we get a pullback from here, then you can buy. As long as it has entered here, if pullback happens from this level, then you can buy to join it towards the blue box or extended the level. DAX. Okay. DAX is going as we forecasted. Okay. I said the break of this place and this place will trigger a long move and is now moving. So no need waste time here. DAX. Tesla. Tesla. Okay. Tesla did not go as we forecasted. It didn't give the pullback we expected. Yeah, that is all right. So it didn't give the pullback. So, okay. So this is still with Y. I'm still looking for X before the Z. So let me leave it like this for now. Let me remove this. Let me remove all this for now until I see the reaction. Henceforth, right now, I haven't seen the reaction. When they begin to react, then I will forecast it again. For now, the move between here and here is like a single move or a double, or let me just check something. This move, well, it is in a reversal zone already. It is in a reversal zone, so expect this move. Expect it. It's already in a reversal zone. Equal leg zone is a reversal zone. Extended zone is also a reversal zone. So watch for this anyway. Okay. Copper. Wow, 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 wow. Copper did not give us, did not play as we forecasted. We made the forecast of copper dropping lower, but it did not. Okay, that's fine. So we remove it. What next? Simple. It ended here. Then this is wave 1. This is 2. Then this is, okay, let me go to 4 hours and count it. So in 4 hours, this is what we get now. Sorry, I don't do that. I muted my microphone. Oh my God, I don't know. So this is what I expect to happen on copper. 5 waves move. So we are getting 1, 2, 3. So ABC for then 5. So if you did not buy when here is broken, remember I said when here is broken, then the buy will become valid. So if you didn't buy this break, wait for 3 waves pull back to buy. Okay, so that's all for now on this. Nickel. 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 Okay. Either 2 things is what we have on nickel. Let me remove this. 2 things. One is that we will get a big move from here. It was coming down. Secondly, we get this. This didn't work as we forecasted, so I will remove it. didn't go the way we thought. I will remove it. Secondly is this equal leg. So you may get A, B, C, then this big move. So either we get a deep move that will likely touch this level, or a shallow one that will make a bigger push towards this level. So be conscious of the two levels I just pointed out now. Okay. All right. SP500. SP500. Okay. You see this arrow that we expect it to reverse through here, but it is still in a reversal. Let me remove this. It is now in the reversal zone. We need to reverse. Let's keep watching. We need to reverse. Let's take 4 hours. Maybe we have some more data on 4 hours to confirm. Well, let's watch it. I think it will reverse. I think it will surely reverse. Now let's keep watching. If it reverses, then the selling. If I see a rejection here, then I will sell towards this level. But after this, the buying continues. Okay, I will end the everything here. Then I will make another one for cryptos alone. Remember this number 234806963. So you call me, text me, or send me a Telegram message. I want a message. If you want to learn from me or join my Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel for free is below this video. You join. Then you want to learn, you send me a message. The money I charge is small. By next year, I'll double the money that I charge. Thank you, and God bless you.